when you're a farm girly, but you're allergic to alfalfa. My alfalfa glove. Come with me to do evening homestead chores. We're going to start with the noisiest animals first, which is going to be these babies who are waiting for their bottles. The next noisiest is the oinkers. Fun fact, you have to lock up the scissors because rats will steal them. Mr. Evil doing the deed. Now we gotta get all the chickens in the coop. Come on. This part, I gotta suit up for. This is our water storage for all of the animals. We don't have a hose that we get to run down, so it is my daily work of hauling 5-gallon buckets, and we go through about 30 gallons of water a day for all the animals. I'm clumsy and can't fill the buckets all the way because then I spill it everywhere. So I actually have to do this 8 times. Everybody's fed. And that's it. Day in the life of farm chores.